Trevor with Armor Home Roofing. We're at 23334 Mount Middleton out in Ashburn, Virginia. We have an approval for some of the metal components for hail damage and the surrounding shingles in order to do the repairs. Before we do the repairs on the metals, we just want to make sure the shingles are actually repairable. So we have our test section right here. We're going to do a repairability test on the shingle close to the metal component. Then we have our control area over there that we're not going to touch, just to make sure it is repairable. I'm going to remove this shingle. In order to do that, I'm going to have to unseal some of these shingles and get the nails out. I'll go ahead and get started. That shingle just tore just by trying to remove it. The shingles are, you can see right here where it's tearing right here as well. Just trying to get under it to get it even unsealed. It's very difficult. All right, so that's the shingle that we're going to be removing. See, that shingle started to tear a little bit. Torn. I mean, even to get these, look, even to get them unsealed, these shingles are just falling apart. Even trying to just get it unsealed. See that? I mean, and I'm just trying to get it under here. And they are completely tearing. I mean, this might be the toughest to unseal shingles I've ever dealt with. This one tore again as well. I mean, we got massive material transfer going on under here, but we'll wait till we get these unsealed. So we got to unseal this one as well because there's nails in a row up here. So again, just trying to get under using the roof snake. See that? Torn already. I mean, these shingles are. Wow, these shingles are, unfortunately, they're sealed so good to each other. See that? This is actually, all right, so, I mean, there's massive amount. If you could bring the camera down here, look how much material transfer is right there alone. I mean, that's why, if you look right here, massive amounts of material transfer. It's probably the most I've actually ever seen. These shingles have already torn in multiple places on every single shingle we tried to unseal. I mean, honestly, I don't even think you could continue with the repairability test. Can't even unseal them to proceed with removing the shingles they even do around there. We're just damaging this roof up even more. It's not repairable at all. I mean, you could look at the control area over there that we didn't touch. Nothing wrong with the shingles until you try to start unsealing them. Now I'll continue to see. Just don't want to mess it up too much, you know, because we're really just trying to make sure it is repairable. I mean, I don't even. Look at this. Look at this material transfer under here. I mean, this failed. I mean, there's nothing else. We don't even got to move forward, to be honest. Too many tears. Just trying to get the roof snake under it. Massive material transfer. This roof definitely failed a repairability test. The only solution is to, replace it.